Ciao everyone, it's Marchettino and today we're gonna make some noise with the Ferrari. It's sad to say it, but summer is nearly gone, autumn is behind the corner, and so the heat as well as the colors of the summer are disappearing. This could potentially be the last video of this year with the Ferrari roofless. We also have good news because finally my mechanic has managed to link the remote control of the exhaust with the car, and now you're gonna hear the difference. As much as I love the sound that my Ferrari makes with the valves open, I cannot drive it like that all the time because of course I need to be a good boy in the neighborhood, because with the valves open, yeah, it's loud, and also when I want to cover a lot of miles, I don't want to make my hair split. So the remote control on an exhaust like this, it's very important. The difference of sound at low revs, it's quite impressive. I mean, I'm gonna start the engine with the valves closed. So right now it sounds pretty much like a stock of 355, which is very good. Honestly, even at idle, just listen to that, it's so sweet. But when you press this magic button, the music changes. Literally. I mean, this is at idle, listen to that. It sounds mega. So back to quiet mode. Back to hooligan mode. So yeah guys, let's go for a fun drive in the tunnels. Is it electric or something? Oh, wait a minute. Okay, now we're talking. With this little remote, the driving experience, it's even more fun and exciting behind the wheel of the Ferrari F355, because, you know, when I take this car, I'm not redlining all the time. I like also to cruise, enjoy the car, the sound, and being able to keep the valve open below 3,000-4,000 RPMs, it's amazing. I mean, even at idle, you can hear that V8 rumble, and it's so exciting. And even if cruising at low speed with the valves open, it's amazing. No matter if you're driving a Ferrari slow or fast, it's always exciting. I don't know about you guys, but now with this exhaust, the exhaust note up to 5,000 RPMs, it reminds me very much the Ferrari F40 with straight pipes. In the previous video I shot with the Ferrari, many of you asked some common things like, do I feel a difference in terms of power delivery or power increase? Well, with the valves closed, the power delivery is quite fluid, but with the valves open, you know, it's not always good to have a straight pipes if you want to maximize the performances. So when I drive with the valves open, I feel the car has a little bit less of power, but honestly, I don't care, because the smiles, the excitement, that's what matters. I don't care if right now with the valves open I have less power, because whenever I open the throttle, it's a genuine smile like this, and to me that's what matters. Just listen to that. It backfires. With an ECU reflash, I will be able to increase the power that I have lost when I drive with the valves open. But honestly, I don't know, tuning a 23 years old Ferrari, I don't really know a company that would be able to do a reliable job on the Ferrari. So I think I will keep the car like this. One important modification I would like to do is about the brakes, because I don't have a good feeling with the brakes. I feel like I need more. When I slam the foot on the brake pedal, I feel like, oh, that's all. I want more. So rather than focusing on increasing the power, I would like more braking power. I think that's more important. Right guys, at this point of the video, I would like to recommend you to keep the volume a bit down because I don't want to feel responsible for broken ears or audio systems. Goodness, is it or isn't it like an old school Formula 1 car? I mean, above 6,000 it shouts, it truly shouts. It's incredible at how just replacing the exhaust system, the driving experience can change so much. Time. If you remember, many years ago I got to drive a straight-piped Ferrari F355 Speciale. That one, as well as this one, I think these are the two best sounding Ferraris I have ever driven in a tunnel. I mean, it's shivering. There's a soundtrack with the straight pipes. Oh my goodness. Sometimes people ask me, Marco, why did you buy a 355? Well, from now on, I think I will just reply by sending them the links of this video. I could do this all day long. So some purists were like, Marco, it's a Ferrari, you should keep it 100% original. Even the exhaust should be kept stock. But I mean, would you? The great thing about these old school Ferraris is that you just need to replace the exhaust system to make the driving experience even more exciting and engaging. So I mean, would you really keep a 355 with a stock exhaust? Stock sounds good, but this, now it sounds like hell is about to break loose. Oh my goodness. A lot of Ferrari owners buy this kind of cars and they just leave them to collect dust in the garage because mostly they are afraid to put miles because of depreciation, but honestly, I have already said that. You only live once, and there's no way I'm gonna keep my 355 parked in the garage, especially now that it sounds like this. Klein innovation. You have totally changed my driving experience behind the wheel of my Ferrari. I love it. I love this car even more. Too bad that summer is gone, so I don't know how much I'm gonna enjoy the car roofless, but still, I will keep enjoying my Ferrari every single day. That's for sure. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching. Ciao!